Motorcycle handlebar mounted soundbar with 300 watt peak power and 1.0 amp USB charging port. Speaker measures 10.6 L by 2.9 diameter. Bracket measures 6 L x 3 in diameter. Watch install video for in-depth installation instructions. Internal 4-channel amp powers two 2x3 full-range speakers with dual voice coils. 4 high-frequency 1 silk dome tweeters with N42 grade magnets for powerful distortion-free sound at any volume level. 3.0 Bluetooth receiver allows wireless connectivity to any Bluetooth-enabled smartphone or music device. Auxiliary input and output ports connect standard devices via 3.5 mm cable. Durable IP66 rated housing is weather-resistant. Built-in heat sink and self-protection circuit combat excessive heat and under voltage regulation. Universal articulating mounting clamps fit virtually any bars between 7/8 and 1/1/2. Brackets are patent pending. Top reviews from the United States. Great sound. Very nice speaker setup. Not a lot of bass, but what can you ask for from a bar mount system? Easy to install but can be a bit harder if you want to have it wired directly to ignition switch. Sounds is great, and you can still hear up to 90 miles per hour on my Harley-Davidson FXDWG2 with loud pipe.